Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use a charcoal incense burner. Because we don't have tongs, what we're going to do is we're going to place it into the charcoal burner, and then with a lighter we're just going to ignite it like this, and it might spark. It's perfectly normal. There you go. Once it's lit, it will spread and light up the whole thing. So now that it stopped sparking, it means that it's ready, and so we're going to use some of this frankincense incense resin. So we're going to get roughly just under a teaspoon of that, and we're going to place it on top of the charcoal, and then it will let off a smoke, and instantly we can smell that fragrance. It smells lovely. So the resin's actually bubbling. It's very important to note as well that you want to do this in a well ventilated area, because there will be quite a lot of smoke, and you don't want to breathe all of this smoke in because it's not too good for you. It is very hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. Don't leave it unattended because the charcoal is basically, on fire. So before you can dispose of the charcoal and the resin, you have to wait until it goes completely to ash, and then once it's completely cooled, only then can you discard of it. If for some reason you need to extinguish the charcoal very quickly, you should use water. Right, so we're just going to pour a little bit at a time. It might create a lot of steam. You can put more in if you need to. And it's obviously coming out the bottom, and we can clean that up, that's no problem. And we still want to make sure that that's completely cool before we touch it and before we place it in the bin. But that's probably the quickest way to put the charcoal out. Anyway, I hope you liked this video and found it useful, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon with another video.